Today is International Day at Rock Quarry. We started this about 2004, and it was one of the things that really interested me when I decided to even come to this school as a teacher, to hear about how diverse the school is and that is celebrated every year with this festival of learning about different countries and cultures. As the librarian, I think it's also important to always show representation of all of our students. So we have students from so many places in the world, and I wanted them to feel seen and welcome. And so the past couple of years I've been collecting flags of where our students are from, or maybe they're first generation Americans and their parents are from there. So we have a wonderful group from South Korea. We have a couple of groups from India, a couple of groups from China, the Kurdistan region of Iran. We have Nigeria, we have Kazakhstan, we have Norway. And I mean, we could have everybody and it still wouldn't be enough. So they're doing all different kinds of things in these rotations. They might be learning about the history of the country. They may be doing art activities, music activities, dances, games, and anything that's just interactive and educational. So because we preach that kids need to be compassionate and kind to other people, it's important that they see people that aren't like them so that they can practice that compassion. So it's really important for our kids who are born and raised Americans to see people from outside the United States, that they may see their classmates look like them, and so that they can relate to that and see that we're not all that different in the long run. And it shows that our kids who are maybe from a different culture, that it's something they should be proud of.